Hello, I am Manoj Garde. I am heading SCL's Transition Center of Excellence. Today I am going to talk to you about our framework which we use for all the transition across the various service lines, be it application transition, infrastructure transition or BPO transition. Asset framework we use for doing transition across various service line, be it infrastructure, applications or BPO. And when we do the large integrated deals, this helps us doing the transition in a seamless manner because all of us understand this framework unanimously, and we are taking over the customer, we are onboarding the customer. So it is very critical for both the stakeholders that this particular phase go perfectly. Asset framework is highly, it is launched using a tool called PM Smart, which gives us the complete real-time transparency in the transition governance. We also have certain common tools for application transition. We have tools which we use for fast tracking the transition. Similarly, in infrastructure space and BPO space, we have various tools which helps us doing transition faster, better, and cheaper. Very critical factor about transition is how effectively we are able to capture the knowledge and how efficiently we are able to replay it over and over so that the team which we are onboarding gets to the speed as soon as possible. Over a period, we delivered multiple such transition project, and we have evolved what we call is a knowledge studio. This studio helps us doing the knowledge transition in effective way, and also it has a capability of doing the knowledge transition remotely. So be it visa constraint, all any other travel constraint, our transition is not really impacted. So I have been very fortunate to have very passionate team working on transition programs. Over a period, we have reached to a point where year on year we are improving the TCSAT survey, what we call Transition Satisfaction Survey. Today we stand at 5.98 on a scale of 7. We continue to improve it over and over. Last year we have 3-4 customers who rated us 7 out of 7. So that gives us really a thrill that yes, whatever we are doing right. We are doing it again and again, and I think that's what talk about our transition practice. Welcome aboard. Thank you.